Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I believe everybody is having a blessed day. Today edition of OBAAPA Kitchen, we are here to make some pizza. Okay, so I have some sausage right here. This one is pork, turkey and beef. Yeah, and I have helper right here. A friend of mine is gonna help me make it because she made it and it was so good. So we have our sausage right here. We have our cut chicken breast right here. This is smoked chicken breast. Okay, you can use as well. And when you go here, we have our smoked beef, also beef sausage that we cut into pieces. And we have some diced tomato. Don't ask me how much or quantity because I'm not really sure. We're just making a lot of pizza. And as you can see here, I have some cut onion on this side as well. And here I have some peppers. That is our yellow red peppers right here that we're going to use as well. And we have some mushroom. And our sauce is ketchup, and we have tomato paste also. And we have some cheese. Yeah, we got it from Costco. Yeah, and then also we're going to use some mayonnaise or mayo, okay, right here. So alright guys, so as you can see on this side also we have our flour. This is baking flour. This is all-purpose flour you can use. Yeah, and we got this from Costco. If this is self-instant yeast. And we got our salt right here. We're going to use a little bit of sugar, and I have 1 cup of butter right here. This is 1 stick of butter that we're going to use. This is what we cut into pieces right here. You can see we have our milk mixed with water. This is about 16 ounces of milk. We have 2 of them, so in total it will be 4 cups of milk. Okay, and we have 5 eggs, guys. Okay, we have some sunflower oil also that we're going to use. Yeah, so guys, let's get started. Guys, so we are ready to make the dough. So we have 5 eggs right here, and Angela is going to give us a teaspoon of salt, and she's going to mix it. Now she has warm milk, so this milk is very warm, guys. You know,
it's a little bit warm.
Warm, okay. Just lukewarm, like lukewarm.
A little bit,
yeah. So she added 4 cups of milk. Okay, so she's gonna add 2 teaspoons of yeast. You can tell. Yeah, a half cup of sugar. Everything in. Just make sure you mix it. She made this one time before and it was so good. So let me see if she can make some for us in the kitchen. So right now, she's going to warm up the butter right here. As you can see. Yeah. Alright now, so she just added the butter and she's going to mix it. This is a stick of butter right here. Alright guys, so now she is going to add the flour. For now, we are not sure how much we are going to add. So she has like 2 cups right here that she's holding up. So we're going to use that to measure. Normally they don't measure when they make it, but she's doing it in the name of OBAAPA Kitchen. So yeah, so this is 2 cups. Four cups. And more. 6 cups. So this one will make it 8 cups. The one that to mix with the dough, the kitchen aid, if you have those kind of processor, you can use it also. If you don't have it, you can use this method. This is our method of mixing the dough. Okay, so this one will be 10 cups of flour. So guys, this is 10 cups after she made it. Okay, so as you can see, it needs more. So you're going to add more flour. So that will be 12 cups. Okay, if you are making just a small quantity, you can use just 2 cups. If you are a big family like mine, you can make more like this. and you're trying to make like different flavors, so that is why it's a lot of pizza. So she's just gonna continue to knead the dough. Right now, guys, she is kneading the dough, just like that. You know? Just make sure you knead it. This is manpower. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Actually, you lose like 10 pounds when you're done. No kidding. It's a lot of work.
That's what I need.
Wow.
Who wants to lose weight? Just make this dough. Almost 5-10 pounds. A little bit sunflower oil.
Added oil. She's adding that oil to the dough right here. That is sunflower oil. Remember when I showed you in the introduction? Yeah.
The oils don't need to get dry.
Dry? Oh,
yeah,
okay.
It's important.
Oh.
It's very important to cover the end of
Nice. Alright guys, so as you can see, the dough is looking really nice. It's well mixed. So she's going to cover it. She is using a plastic wrap to cover this dough. So this way the air will not get through it. So it will help double in size. So this is what she's doing. Yeah, so if you don't have this one, you can get this one from Costco, big one, big size. But if you don't have it, you can use your towel, you know, like a clean towel to cover it and leave it in a warm place to double in size, okay? Then she's going to use another towel to cover it, okay? That's how it is. Very nice.
And to wait for when will be done. A half hour, I think.
1.5 hours,
We'll
okay.
see. We'll check.
Okay, so guys, we'll be back. 5 baking pan right here. So she's going to add aluminum foil. You know, that way it will be easy to probably put a pizza, or they won't stick in the bottom. You can use butter, or you can use coconut oil if you have coconut oil.
Avocado oil.
Yeah, or avocado oil. But with her, she's using sunflower oil.
This spray, what is this? Organic?
Yeah, that one is olive spray.
Yeah.
Okay, you can use that one too. Or you can use olive spray, which she's using right now. That is good as well. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the dough. It has double inside, you know, before. So she let it sit for about 2 hours. And now, as you can tell,
Anyway,
guys, look at the pizza. It looks so good. Yeah, so she's adding the tomato paste or tomato. Yeah, this one is different kind. Can you see? This is the kind that she is adding right now. Very interesting. So where did you buy this from?
Japan safe. European store.
Okay.
I think in the Myers they have too.
Oh, Myers?
Myers,
Okay.
yeah.
You don't like the beef, you can just add chicken, okay?
Any meat.
Any meat of your choice. So she's adding some ketchup. Now she's adding mayonnaise or mayo. That is interesting. Tomatoes? Oh. Alright guys, so now the tomato part is done, so we're going to add the cheese. You can see we have the pizza ready. Oh, we have these three right here. That is sausage, veggies, and chicken. Okay, and we have this ones right here. These two.
Sausage. He's
Okay,
chicken.
so this one right here doesn't have any sausage. This one is just chicken, veggies, onion, and mushroom. And we made two of them right here. So as you can see, this is how it is. The pizza is looking very good. So okay, so guys, we're going to bake it for 350 degrees right here in the oven. So we will let you guys know when we are done. This is Pizza Feast. Okay, so now she's going to cut it like into pieces. Yeah. So guys, look at how juicy and cheesy it is. The meat. I'll show you guys in a minute. Try this recipe at home and you will never be disappointed. Like, you will never ever buy a restaurant pizza again. I'm just gonna take one.
Oh, baby.
Show you the preview. So this is how the back looks like. Oh wow, that's soft. See that, guys?
Huh?
A lot of meat, soft.
Yeah.
This is what we need.
Yummy, yum, 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 yum.
Very yummy. How was it, Angela? You made it, so that's it's supposed to be good. Like, this is so good. Yeah. So
Take a little
we're gonna
piece.
take a bite
A little piece.
and we'll let you guys know. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. And if you have any additional questions, let us know. Guys, please try this recipe and give us a feedback. And Angela, thank you so much for this recipe.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, bye bye.
No, it's very good. It's very delicious. If I wasn't on a